Hi guys, my name is Get Hungry, but wait, stop, you need some more prescription and Get Hungry. I'm for YouTube, but no, it is for my Get Marshmallow, I don't know. I mess up with room every day. Let me see. I'll get my battery. So now I see my burger, jelly, my birdie. Also, so cute. Jelly, come here. Jelly. There's a lovebird. There's a lovebird. There's a Lulu for color pink. Oh no, color white. This black named Jerry. Jerry, get out of yellow. There you go. Just love me. Dude, I'm very small. Yes, I touched them. I touched them. Okay. No! Come back here. There we go. Hello. Yes, name Jerry, my friends. Okay. Want to see my camera? Huh? Jerry. So cute, the adorable lady. That's my Jerry. That's my Jerry. My birdie's name. Love you. You want some food? Just want some food. To give her food, this one. This is so nice for a bird. Stay here. This one's so messy. No. I bet. Let me see, Jerry just wants some food. Plastic. Okay, baby. Okay. Like that. Like that. Okay, look. She just wants to eat. Eat. Come on, eat it. Come on, what's the food? Ow. Eat that, boy, eat that. Good job, baby. That's not the sound like a bird. Look, bird wants some eat of them. Come on, eat. Ow. Oh, this son loves me. Eat this boy. Okay. Sky, go your room. There's your house. Someone kitchen. No! Okay. It's your room. Go in the house. Oh no! Are you okay? Oh my god. Come on. Yay! Good job. Bye-bye. See you soon. So subscribe, like, comments below. And music. Bye.